Okay, change the brake pads, ZX6R J1. Fed up with so many shit reviews on the internet, so here we are. Front brake pads. You've got to take 2 bolts out first of all. That one and that one. Okay, I'll get that done, I'll come back to you. The fucking video stops recording. Just for reference, 12mm. My socket set goes up to 1.25 inches, and I can assure you it's not that. Okay, that's off. You can see inside the brake pads there, and they're pretty dirty. So what you want to do is try and give them a bit of a clean up. I've been advised WD-40 or some washing up liquid, mild washing up liquid warm, just to rinse it in there with a toothbrush, whatever you fancy. Keep the bolts, where have I put them? Keep those bolts that you took out, because they're quite important they go back in. Also, while you're at it, undo these 2 little Allen bolts on the back there. Shut up, you'll need them. So to expose the back of the brake pads. Get yourself one of these little handy kits. I've got one. Does everything. Look at that. Beauty. Does everything except for it hasn't got the right size Allen key, so I'm just going to nip into my shed to get my relevant and whatever tools. Right, screws off. Get rid of that old bit of shit. Okay. Make sure pads in there and calipers. Sorted. Right, next. Got a pin going through, holding the calipers there. And a split pin, which is there. Get rid of that split pin and pull the pin out. So, taking the pads out, and what I'm doing now is just giving it a squirt WD-40 all over it. As you can see, both sides. Get in there with an old manky toothbrush and give it a clean. But obviously, just make sure all the oil is off afterwards, because oil and braking does not work very well. Right, give them a good clean up. Get the old calipers pushed back, maybe with a bit of timber if you need it. Jobs are nearly a good one. Right, back in the new pads. Okay, and then reassemble it back on the 2 bolts.